Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. And today we're headed out to Callahan for the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise-in for February. This is on Valentine's Day. We're gonna head down there and see what shows up. We really don't know because it is Valentine's Day and whether it's gonna be a good one or not. It's really the only thing going today. There was something at the Caffeine and Octane at the Avenues Mall this morning, but we didn't go out for that. But that was the only other thing that's going on today that I knew about. So we're gonna go check it out, see what shows up. We may be there for a little while, we may not be there for a little while. I don't know. So we'll see you guys out there. We'll take you out there with us, and just stay tuned, and we'll see what's out there.
Yeah, get me a burger and fries.
No problem. See you next time. Yep.
All right, don't forget you can see all the cars that was here tonight on the dash cam. Y'all check it out on YouTube, Facebook. We appreciate it. Brass ankles, good. Come to your car, brass ankles, come to your car.
All right, guys, we just left the Callahan Hardee's restaurant and the Callahan Cruise In for February. We decided to duck out a little early because it was starting to get a little cool out there. But we had a great turnout of cars. They kept coming and going, I tell you. Good mix of cars, too. Good classics and modern and just some unique stuff. We really enjoyed it. We really enjoyed going out. We always go out to the Callahan Cruises. They're our home club. So that's going to wrap up the week. We didn't really have much this weekend. Just them. Next weekend, I think I've got a cruise in downtown Waycross on Saturday, and then Sunday I've got Yulee Cars and Coffee cruise in again. So, like I said, not a whole lot going on. I think the weekend after that is the 28th, and I've got two big car shows on the same day. I've got Cruising for Kids at Dinsmore Baptist Church and Wings and Wheels at the St. Augustine Airport. I don't know that I'm going to make it out to Wings and Wheels because of reasons. Unless they get back to me with an answer. So yeah, that's the upcoming events. I know Amelia Concourse is coming up sometime after that, really fast. We'll go to the Friday events for that. The thing on Main Street in Old Town Fernandina, the road tour kickoff, and then the Amelia kickoff at the Main Beach Park. We'll go to that too. So that's going to be upcoming in 3 weeks, I think. We are at, for the channel news, we are at 346 subscribers, which is great. We jumped up 5 subscribers this week, which is awesome. We really enjoy having as many subscribers as we do. We're trying to get to 500, so any help on that's great. We appreciate all our subscribers. We love all you guys. You guys are making it happen. You guys are keeping me motivated to be out going to these shows, because I probably wouldn't have went out to the show today, except for the fact that it was our home club, and I'm just trying to keep content coming in for the channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is going to be optional. I don't know if I'll leave this in or not. But Wings and Wheels in St. Augustine at the airport, they've decided to do something kind of interesting with their spectator parking. I wasn't going to participate in the show because I'm not going to be there all day. That's my reason for not participating in that one. But they've said that they're not going to allow any spectator parking at the airport itself. It's instead going to be 1.5 miles down the road at the courthouse or tag office or something, St. Johns County Courthouse or whatever. And they're going to shuttle people back to the show. I don't know about that. I'm not good with that because, well, you know, if you know me, you know I'm mobility challenged, and I have a mobility device that I take with me to events, and it's not exactly transport friendly, shuttle friendly. So I've messaged them. I'm definitely going to Dinsmore Baptist Church for the Cruising for Kids car show. I've gone to it a lot. I don't know if I made it out last year. I might have been sick last year, but we're definitely going to make it this year. Don't know how long we'll stay. If we get answered our question at Wings and Wheels, we'll split the day and go from Dinsmore to St. Augustine. But I just don't know. Anyway, so that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to do all the YouTube things, the likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. Make sure you're still subscribed, because sometimes our people get unsubscribed without their knowledge. I don't know why. It's just a random YouTube thing. Anyway, we'll see you guys out at the next show, which, like I said, next weekend. We're going to be in Waycross at the downtown Waycross Cruise-In. I don't know if I have anything in the morning that day. I haven't seen the car show flyers for next weekend yet. So I'm hoping to find something for the morning and the afternoon, but you know, you never know. Anyway, we'll see you guys next week.